You know, something really big is happening in the beauty world. It feels like a revolution, actually. The focus is shifting away from the sterile, white coat lab and back to the rich, living soil. So let's dive in and explore what that really means for you and your skincare. I mean, stop and think about it for a second. Have you ever really wondered where the ingredients in your daily skincare come from? And I don't just mean the factory where they were all mixed together. I mean, where did they start? What farm did they grow on? Well, the answer to that question is this powerful movement called agrocosmetics, or you might have heard it called farm-to-face. And trust me, it's completely reshaping everything we thought we knew about beauty. It demands a totally clear, traceable line, right from the field to the final product you hold in your hand. Now, to really get our heads around this, we're not going to try to tackle the whole industry at once. That'd be overwhelming, right? Instead, we're going to follow the journey of a single, let's say hypothetical product that really captures this whole philosophy. We'll call it a Stay Young Premium Herbal Soap. So this first part of our journey is all about understanding this new blueprint for beauty. And you know what's fascinating? It doesn't start with some brand new technology. It starts with ingredients that have stories going back thousands of years. Right, so the foundation of this new blueprint, it isn't some recent breakthrough. No way. It's actually built on millennia of history, drawing from some of the most respected wellness traditions on the entire planet. We're talking about 3 core ingredients in our soap: reishi mushroom, moringa oil, and of course, saponified olive oil. And these are not just some trendy new additions to a marketing campaign. These are absolute pillars of ancient wellness, from the courts of Chinese emperors all the way to the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs. So let's start with reishi. In China, it's known as lingzi, and ancient texts classified it as a top-grade medicine. It was believed to boost vitality so profoundly that it was incredibly rare, a treasure reserved almost exclusively for emperors to help them prolong their life. And then you have moringa, which is often called the miracle tree. In Ayurvedic tradition, it was known as Sanjivani Bhuti, this almost mythical plant that was said to cure nearly any ailment. Its oil was so precious that jars of it were actually found in the tombs of Egyptian pharaohs, placed there to protect their skin in the afterlife. How amazing is that?
And of course, there's olive oil. Before modern soap was even a thing, ancient Greeks and Romans would literally bathe in it to cleanse their skin. It was a practice that was later perfected into these luxurious bars by artisans in Mediterranean cities like Nablus and Marseille.
Okay, so that's the history. But how in the world do we get these ancient ingredients today in the modern world? Well, the answer lies in a whole new kind of farming, one that doesn't just take from the earth, but one that actively works to heal it. And listen, this is a huge step beyond just being organic. The new standard is all about being nature positive. It's a philosophy where the act of harvesting and growing ingredients actually contributes to restoring the environment, leaving the planet healthier than before. Take moringa, for example. It is an absolute powerhouse when it comes to sustainability. Studies show that as a crop, it can absorb up to 20 times more CO2 from the atmosphere than general vegetation. It's a true climate champion. And the benefits are just staggering when you look at them side by side. Moringa thrives in poor soil, it barely needs any water, it prevents erosion, and it's a zero-waste crop. Literally every single part of the tree can be used for something. It's pretty much the perfect model for sustainable, regenerative agriculture. And our olive oil, it's coming from places like the Potahar Plateau in Pakistan. There's a massive national effort going on there, transforming 10 million acres of land into a world-class, climate-smart olive industry. They're setting a whole new standard for how to do this sustainably. So, from these incredible regenerative farms, our potent ingredients finally arrive at the workshop. And this is where the magic really happens, where ancient craft meets modern precision to create something truly special. Our soap is made using the traditional cold process method. Now, this is not some high-speed industrial process. Not at all. It's much, much closer to an art form, one that requires a ton of patience and really meticulous care. And the method here is absolutely crucial. Think of it like cooking, right? The cold process is like slow cooking. You use very low heat, which preserves all those potent anti-aging compounds from the reishi and moringa. The faster, high-heat methods, well, that's like putting it in the microwave. It would just destroy all those delicate, precious ingredients. So it's a very clear choice, quality over speed. Okay, now for the final, and maybe the most important step in this entire journey. You, the modern consumer, because it's your demands that are driving this whole revolution. Today's shopper wants something called radical transparency.
And this goes way beyond just reading an ingredient list. It's about a deeper need for trust and a real connection in an age where, let's be honest, there's a lot of misinformation. A recent study found that 60% of us want brands to identify the specific source of their ingredients.
We're tired of those 10-step routines and all the harsh chemicals. We're embracing what they call skin and minimalism, using fewer but better products. And we're focusing on gentle barrier care. And we are absolutely putting our money where our values are. A whopping 73% of consumers say they will pay more for products with total transparency.
And if you look at the market data, it confirms this is not some niche movement. The clean beauty segment is just exploding. It's projected to more than quadruple in less than a decade. This incredible growth is being fueled by a new generation of consumers who prioritize health, sustainability, and that transparency we just talked about. This isn't a fad, this is the new standard for the whole industry.
So at the end of the day, this whole journey from the farm to your face, it ends with a choice. Your choice. Every single product you buy is a vote. It's either a vote for those opaque industrial systems of the past, or it's a vote for a transparent, regenerative future that restores both our skin and our planet. The only question is, what future are you voting for?